6 GB, 64 GB. It's a black, and with infrared remote. We will see some features over here. Like we have some features: dual SIM and dual standby, and dual selfie camera and dual rear camera. 4000 mAh battery, same as Redmi Note 5. Fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Supports IR remote. MIUI custom Android OS. Let's unbox the piece. He's unboxing with the key. That is nothing but our bike key or car keys. Okay. We have 4 colors over here: red, rose gold, blue, and black. Oh, we have one more seal also here with white color. He's unboxing the now.
And you have to beat like that.
Wow.
Excited.
Yeah, it's opening.
Are you excited? Opening. Yeah, open.
Oh, it's a Redmi Note 6 Pro. 20 megapixel with plus 2 megapixel portrait selfie, and 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera.
Sticker.
Okay. Warning. Okay. Let me switch on the mobile.
Remove the sticker. Take out the sticker, bro.
Here it is. It's loading the OS MIUI.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. phone memory
Sal.